Welcome to the interactive presentation timeslot tutorial. In this video we will explain to you what timeslots are and how to choose one for your interactive presentation. If you pick a timeslot, you have the opportunity to present your IP in front of the people that are attending the ISE 2018. Every timeslot gives an author the chance to present his or her interactive presentation in front of a live audience. Here's how you pick your timeslot. Here you can choose the day, the time and the screen you want for your presentation. The deadline for reserving a timeslot is September 15th. After that, no more timeslots will be reserved. A list with all reserved timeslots will be published after the deadline. The name of every presenter and their IP with the according time and monitor will be listed. This list will be published on the official ISE website and the IP software itself. The screen you choose will be set up with your IP ready to present at the timeslot you've picked. You will have 30 minutes to present your IP and/or answer questions other attendees might have. So reserve your timeslot as long as they are still available, and remember, the deadline is September 15th. Thanks for watching.